We are in North Lincolnshire in the United Kingdom and near to the village of Goxhill. Just behind me there is the tunnel entrance, and that's the tunnel what we are building here to insert a pipeline for delivering natural gas from the north of UK from offshore to the south of England. And this is going to be a 4.8 kilometer long single tube tunnel under the river Humber. We are proud to be here as the pioneers of PORR in the United Kingdom to deliver this project. One multi-service vehicle can carry one full ring which contains 6 segments. As the tunnel gets longer, the more challenge it gives us with the logistics, because our cycle time has to be constantly monitored. We have got only 2 vehicles to deliver the segments. The cycle time at the moment is less than 1 hour. We're using a tunnel boring machine, a TBM. We are mining in the chalk. The bigger particles are delivered to the surface with a conveyor belt, and the fine material as waste slurry, we are delivering this material to a filter press. We have a quite international team in this project. There are some difficulties with that, but I think we are getting on well, and everybody is learning and respecting the other, and we try to appreciate each other. We are at the end of October 2018. We built already nearly 2 kilometers of tunnel since April 2018. Expected finish end of May 2019. In 150 years, I think technology will provide us with self-driving TBMs, and we can minimize the amount of people working under hard conditions in the tunnel.